So I got to replace that end cap and this end cap right here. In order to do it, I need to get a left and I need to get a right. What I got to do is I need to get rid of this end cap and this end cap out of here. And it looks like I just peeled it. So what I'm doing right here right now is I don't have enough movement to remove this end cap. Back in there, so now what this just did, it gave me more movement to get this end cap out. It's going to help me cut these seams here. So there's multiple pinpoints in it. It inserts in and just squeeze it. What it does, it makes an indent. Here's the left one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off a trim of it. Just because this area is very, very tight. So like I said, all I did is just trimmed off a 1/4 inch, give or take. The geosill. Geosill is basically a sealant that was made of. It's actually an amazing material to seal off gutters, seal off water from getting out of gutters and stuff. So if you look at this one has an insert cap. You look at this one doesn't have an insert cap. This is a punch out compared to an insert cap. And like I said, all you gotta do is get the geosill in the corner. You do not finger the geosill. You actually ruin it. The geosill is a self-leveling sealant. So now we're done in this corner. Almost.